Hi and hello, I am Athena Pandian here. Welcome to the Athena Pandian channel once again. In this video, I am going to say something about that I posted the question in my YouTube channel in the community page. In that, point out the exact frequency range used in the fetal Doppler machine. So the options I gave some of the frequency ranges. In that, which one is an exact frequency range? If you are know about the ultrasound machine, then it is very comfortable for you to answer these kind of the questions. For example, if you are appointed as a application specialist or if you are going for any interview for the ultrasound machine, these kind of the questions may be arised. Okay, so for that only I posting this part of questions in that community page. So the answer is actually, so first of all, you need to know about which are all the frequency ranges that are used in the ultrasound, especially in the healthcare is. It is around 1 megahertz to 15 megahertz. The healthcare purpose, for the healthcare purpose, we are using the ultrasonic range. In particularly, in the question, we are mentioning that fetal Doppler. Okay, for the fetal Doppler machine, we are not supposed to require 1 to 15 megahertz. We are supposed to require only 1 to 3 megahertz. So 1 megahertz to 3 megahertz is the answer actually. Then why I am saying up to 15 megahertz they are used in the ultrasound frequency ranges for the imaging purpose. Of course, you know that the fetal Doppler machine is used to hear the baby's heartbeat inside the fetus. For imaging that particular baby